Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello everyone, this is Shariful Islam once again before you. I hope you all are doing great, guys. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. Okay, so today I have been come to in front of you about really important things, and these things you would be also comparing this as because this is in our pillars. Islam has 4 or 5 pillars. That is Kalima, Hajj, Zakat, and that is today I like to select it about Hajj because it is one of pillars in Islam. Okay. So basically this in front of us the Ramadan, so that is why many of people they are going to abroad, they are going to for making the Umrah because this is very important for us. So on the other side, if let's say that is before Ramadan, what we should do, sometimes we forget what we have to do and what we are going to do sometimes. So that's why I'd like to recommend to you, if you just follow 3 sections, so definitely your Ramadan will be very better. Okay, so on the other side, sometimes what can I say, basically I wanna say that is before going to abroad, you should you should buy ticket, you should also prepare for your visa. So we face many problems about visa because this is one of problems of on us. Although the Saudi governments, they have been easier for it and they have been actually offering Bangladesh people because Bangladesh people is really amazing people and they are also really religion person of the world. So that is why, but we have to remember it, that is after going there in Ramadan, especially some people when he first time go to abroad in Makkah and Medina, so he tried to going to visit any kind of places, but he have sometimes he forget what he have came here. So he only have been gone there, only performing salat and actually although. So if you just actually follow this section, follow the discussion of our Muallim, so what our Muallim says for us, what is recommend to us. So if you just actually do not forget it, definitely it could be very better for you because our target is Allah the Almighty will be very glad on us because this is our main and final target. Okay, because on the other side, you will visit Arafah, you will also visit Makkah, and so on the visiting time you can actually visit the another things. But this is not target. But you have to remember always, because I have came here only, Allah the Almighty will be very glad on me. Okay. So I wanna say this on the other side, guys. Before going there also we face many problems, but we have to be careful on this because many of bad people also available. They are offering many simple prices. They are offering that you can also make the Hajj by free of money, but we should remember it. Our government has been very easy for this section because for going to abroad nowadays it is only 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh. So if you just actually admit our government section, it had been very easy for us. But I wanna say this: you can also search on the government's things. So definitely it could be better for you. I hope guys, I hope this video you have just enjoyed this video, and I wanna say in the future I'll try to bring up in another things as what you can also recommend me, you also suggest me what I have to do in the future because I'm getting, guys, preparing for IELTS escort. So this is my main target, so that is why I am preparing for it. I also actually asked to you for making duas for me and for my family and for my brother and sister. Yeah guys, also thanks for watching me. Assalamualaikum.